Think your strap cutter blades are ready for the track? Think again. I'm going to show you how to take them from blunt and dragging to razor sharp. The hardest part about this tiny blade is not sharpening it. It's actually maintaining that really shallow angle. I'm going to show you how to achieve a blade sharp enough to shave hair with. We want to take the horizontal bar out so that we can access the blade. Now be careful, as these blades are really small and they can be sharp and it can be quite tricky to handle it properly. Then we're going to grab our strop. So we're going to use veg tan and we're going to use some nice polishing compound on there. So we want a nice consistent layer, just enough for that flesh to hold the compound in there effectively so you can use it. I've got this 10 to 14,000 grit green chromium oxide compound. Link is down in the description for all the tools and materials that you'll need today. If you want to learn more about polishing compounds, what the different colors mean, and how to use them effectively, check out the link in the description or up on the video now. So the first thing that you need to know before we get into this is what is actually happening with this when we use it. Now these blades have a very thin apex that comes to a sharp point. Then we apply some pressure and this thin edge easily cuts through the leather. But over time this edge bends with use. So when you look at the width of edge that we're now trying to push through the leather, a wider section of blade now means that the pressure is a lot lower. So with honing, we need to match this existing bevel that we have. And with this blade being so thin, it's really difficult to get it to the right angle. So the trick here is to use one of these glue spatulas. I use these for applying my cement, but you can also use them to get the blade in the exact position that you want it to, and to match that angle perfectly. If you're doing this, don't have a glue spatula, and you're struggling to get a razor sharp blade, it is 100% down to that angle. If your angle is too steep, your blade edge will just roll over to the other side and it won't hone it effectively. Using our spatula, we can lower the blade down to the correct angle and then just do around 10 passes, pulling the blade towards you. This will nicely hone it. Now, as these blades are double-sided, we want to make sure we flip it over and just do the exact same thing again. 10 passes should be enough to realign that blade. But there is one way to take it that step further to achieve a 30,000 grit finish. So if we were to sharpen the blade, we'd remove material to get that new apex. But we're also wearing down our blade over time. All we need to do most of the time is to realign that edge to make it super straight again. If you keep realigning these blades over and over, you effectively never need to sharpen them or replace them. Your same blade can last for years and years. If you've got any value out of this video so far, please like it and subscribe for a new tool hack every other week. Thanks so much, your support really helps me to continue making these videos. So here we're going to use a raw piece of veg tan. I'm going to use a 10-ounce thick piece. This will give us a 30,000 grit mirror polish. And the way that this works is that there are silicates in the surface of the leather that give us a consistent grit size for honing. So again, we're using the spatula. We're just lowering the blade down to match that existing bevel, and then we'll pull it back towards ourselves to hone that blade. Around 10 or so passes should work nicely. And this is the crucial step in realigning that blade and creating a blade that is sharp enough to shave hair with. So this whole process is a little fiddly. So what I like to do is swap out my strap cutter blades as they become dull over time, and I'll store them somewhere safe. And then I will hone all of the blades at once, and that will last me for several months. Saves a lot of time and makes it much easier. This beginner hack up on screen now is the perfect next step in your leathercraft journey. I'll meet you there.